Thinking about buying refurbished electronics? Great idea, if you play it smart. Before you hit that buy now button, here are 5 must-ask questions to make sure you're getting a deal, not a dud. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and today we're diving into the world of refurbished electronics and how to shop like a pro without breaking the bank. First, is it refurbished or just an open box return? They sound similar, but here's the scoop. Open box usually means someone bought it, peeked inside, and changed their mind. Refurbished, that's a product that's been used, cleaned, repaired, and reset for resale. Watch out for terms like pre-owned, they're all over the place. Pro tip, US law says they can't sell it as new, so at least you know that much. Still, read the fine print. Second, who did the refurbishing? Manufacturer-refurbished, aka factory certified, is the gold standard. Better testing, better parts, better peace of mind. Third-party refurb? Could be fine, but quality varies. Bonus tip, check if the refurbisher is authorized by the manufacturer. If not, you might be rolling the dice. Third, does it come with everything? Don't assume. Always check the listing to make sure essential items like chargers, power cables, and accessories are included. And trust me, hunting down a proprietary charger is no fun. Some sellers even toss in generic replacements. Those can be hit or miss. If the listing says unit only, factor in the cost of extras before you buy. Fourth, does it still have a warranty? As is equals no warranty equals big risk. Ideally, you want at least a short guarantee. 30, 60, or 90 days is common. If it's not clear, ask before you buy. A little coverage goes a long way. And here's a pro move. If the manufacturer offers extended coverage, grab it. It's like buying peace of mind for pennies compared to a new device. Finally, what's the return policy? Some issues take time to show up, like battery life or hidden glitches. Aim for 14 to 30 days to test drive your tech. Final sale might sound tempting, but unless the discount is jaw-dropping, think twice. And always check if returns are free or you'll eat the shipping cost. Here are a few extra tips. Check reviews. Look for seller ratings and customer feedback. A 4.8-star refurb shop? Yes, please. Compare prices. If the refurb price is only 10% less than new, skip it. You want at least 20 to 30% savings. Battery life. For phones and laptops, ask if the battery was replaced or tested. Old batteries equal frustration. Software updates. Make sure the device supports the latest OS. No one wants a gadget stuck in 2018. Refurbished electronics can be a total win if you ask the right questions first. Got other tips or horror stories? Drop them in the comments. And I will catch you next time on DIY in 5.